How to enable code interpreter in Qwen AI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable code interpreter in your Qwen AI. So in order to enable the same, you need to follow these simple steps. First, head on to the chat.qwen.ai, which is the official address for the Qwen Studio. Then once you're in the page, click on your profile picture at the bottom left corner. Now, once this menu appears, click on Settings, and within Settings, choose Personalization. Now, under Personalization, expand this advanced option, and you will see the Code Interpreter option right here. This is a built-in programming runtime environment that can execute code for complex calculations, data analysis, chart plotting, or even file processing. To enable this, simply click onto this toggle and you will see that the code interpreter is now enabled and you can use it in your Qwen AI to interpret code directly without even having to export it. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.